What causes cream cheese frosting to become runny, and how can I fix it?
Hello there, culinary explorers. In this video, we'll talk about one of the common dilemmas faced when making cream cheese frosting. Why does it become runny, and how can you fix it? By understanding the causes and applying some handy solutions, you'll be able to make perfect, fluffy cream cheese frosting every time.
What causes cream cheese frosting to become runny?
At its core, cream cheese frosting is a blend of cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. The ideal consistency is smooth, fluffy, and easily spreadable, but not too loose or runny. So what causes cream cheese frosting to become runny? 1. Overbeating. If you beat the frosting too much, it can start to break down, which can make it runny. 2. Incorrect proportions. If you add too much liquid, milk, cream, or not enough dry ingredients, powdered sugar, your frosting could end up being too thin. 3. Soft ingredients. Cream cheese and butter should be soft enough to mix, but not overly warm. If these ingredients get too warm, they can make your frosting runny. 4. Humidity. The weather can also affect your frosting. Humidity can introduce extra moisture to your frosting, making it runny.
How can I fix runny cream cheese frosting?
Fixing runny cream cheese frosting isn't as hard as you might think. Here are a few things you can do. 1. Chill it. One of the quickest fixes for runny frosting is to just chill it in the refrigerator. As the butter and cream cheese cool, they will firm up, and so will your frosting. 2. Add more powdered sugar. If chilling doesn't work, or if your frosting is extremely runny, you might need to add more powdered sugar. Do this a little bit at a time, to avoid making your frosting too sweet. 3. Cream cheese to the rescue. Another way to thicken your frosting is by adding more cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature before you mix it in. 4. Cornstarch addition. If your frosting is still too runny, you can add a small amount of cornstarch. Start with 1/2 teaspoon and add more if needed, making sure to mix thoroughly to avoid lumps. That's all for today's culinary troubleshoot. With these tips and tricks, you can now avoid the pesky problem of runny cream cheese frosting and fix it with ease if it occurs. Remember, the key is in the balance of ingredients and handling them correctly. Happy baking, and may your frostings always be fluffy and delectable.